Hey there! If you're unable to log in into your Breet account, don't worry. It can happen sometimes. Let's go over the most common reasons why this could happen and how you can fix it real quick. First, invalid credentials. This one simply means your email or password is incorrect. To fix this, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and reset your password. After resetting, go back to the login page and re-enter your email, making sure the first letter is in lowercase. Then input your new password and log in. Next, network error. If you see network error on your screen, it's most likely your internet. Double check that you're connected to a stable network. And if you're using Glo, try switching to another provider or log in through the web at dashboard.breet.io. Third, your Not Authenticated error. Don't let that scare you. It usually means your app is outdated. Just head to your App Store or Play Store. Update your Breet app to the latest version and try again. That usually fixes it. And lastly, frozen accounts. Now, your account can get temporarily frozen if you enter the wrong password or PIN multiple times. If it is because of your password, simply reset it and you're back in. If it is because of your PIN, please reach out to Breet support at support@breet.io or call 020-1330-6184. We will help you reactivate your account quickly. If your account ever gets frozen, it is just a security step, not a punishment, and it can always be resolved. So yeah, most login issues can be fixed with one of these steps. But if none of them work, don't stress. Just contact our support team through the app or our verified social media channels and we'll sort it out for you right away. At Breet, your access and your security always comes first.